We are productivity. We are technology. We are speed and quality in CNC machines. We are CENTRIC, the only machine tool sales company with an established presence in Mexico and the United States, specializing in the American, Mexican, and Latin American markets. Strategically located in Mexico, we have the ability to respond quickly to our clients. With our warehouse and headquarters in the United States, we provide world-class solutions to machine challenges. In addition, our offices in Hong Kong and Taiwan make us an agile and sophisticated international operation. With more than 13 years of experience in Mexico, our sales and engineering team works with you to provide machines of the highest quality. Maintenance, engineering, automation, parts, and spare parts are some of the services we offer to support each machine we sell. In partnership with the best machine tool brands in Asia, Europe, and the United States, we offer the latest technology in high production machining solutions. Our primary focus is on production level solutions for the automotive, industrial, medical, and other industries that require high quality and high volume production. With the power of CENTRIC Solutions Mexico's talented team, we provide the best CNC machines to provide our clients with solutions for their manufacturing needs. CENTRIC, world-class solutions for your machining challenges.